Hey there, in this tutorial I will show you a quick way to install Google Tag Manager on your WordPress website and make sure it works. If you don't have Tag Manager account, you can create it on tagmanager.google.com. You will need to be logged in into your Google account to access this page. If you already have a GTM account, you should see your container name here. Click on it and skip to the next step. However, to create a new account, find Create Account button. Provide account name. Typically, this will be a company name. Then select any country. It doesn't matter what you pick here, so you can also leave that by default. Then give a name to your GTM container. Typically, that will be a website URL. And then pick web as a platform, since we will install it on a website. And then click create. Read and accept terms of service agreement. And your account is now ready, and you will be redirected to your GTM container. When you initially create container in GTM, a pop-up will be shown with code snippets that you need to install. If you already have GTM account or you have closed the pop-up initially, you can always access these code snippets by clicking on GTM ID in the header. Now, in your WordPress admin panel, you will need to add a plugin that can add code snippets to a header and a footer of the website. Go to Plugins and click Add New. Here, search for Header Footer Code Manager. This is one of the most popular plugins to add custom snippets on WordPress without digging into template code. You can use other similar alternatives for this if you want. Now click Install Plugin, activate it. Now in the left menu, find plugin section called Header Footer Code Manager. From plugin page, click on Add New Snippet. Provide snippet name, for example, GTM header. Snippet type will be HTML. Site display site wide. Location will be header. And here in the last field, we will need to copy first part of the snippet from Tag Manager. So copy this one and paste it here. Now you can click Save. Second snippet is optional since it is designed to work when visitor has disabled JavaScript. 99% of all marketing tags and pixels, including Google Analytics and Facebook, rely on JavaScript, so vast majority of tracking scripts won't work for these customers anyway. Still, you can add it if you will use some tracking tags that don't rely on JavaScript. Copy this code and follow the same procedure as we did for the first code snippet. Again, from plugin page, click on Add New Snippet. Snippet name can be GTM footer. Leave all settings by default except location. Change this to footer. And now paste your code. Now you can save the snippet. Now let's check if Tag Manager is successfully installed. Open your GTM container and click on Preview button. Enter your website URL where you have just installed the snippet and click Connect. If everything worked well, you should see a pop-up in the bottom right corner saying that Tag Assistant was connected successfully. And that's basically it. GTM is now installed on your WordPress website. Very quick and easy. Like this video if you found this useful and subscribe for more tutorials like this in the future. Good luck!